Oishii! Hello, I'm Sushi Yoko. I live in Switzerland. Today, I want to make Okonomiyaki Kansai style. Let's get started. So let's cut the cabbage. So I'd like to remove this white hard part and then we can roll it like this and cut it. Yeah? We have 400 gram cabbage and then give 100 gram flour and 10 gram black baking powder and then 2 teaspoons olive oil. We can mix it without water and slowly water. Let's give 100 ml water. So slowly have gluten. So it looks very hard, but it should be okay. Mix it maybe 10 times more. Then and today let's keep this sliced pork. Let's use this sliced pork. Now time to make it hot. Give 1 tablespoon on a fry pan. So I want to make 2 times okonomiyaki. So 1 portion should be like this. Of course you can make a big one, but I like to have middle size with chopstick. Like this. And the heat should be the medium, not so high. And then give this sliced pork on okonomiyaki. Like maybe it takes 2 or 3 minutes. It will become brown. So that if you think it's enough, we can turn it. Let's try this. Like this. And then let's try with another one. And don't sweet so much. So it looks very yummy. So let's try turn it again. It looks very nice. And then this one as well. It looks very crispy. And then I'd like to introduce one more ingredient. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. It's up to you, but maybe it's really tasty with mayo. So give some mayo into a plastic bag like this, and then close it like this. And then make a hole, very thin hole with your scissor, and then fry it on your plate like this. Maybe it should be fine. Okay, now time to decorate my okonomiyaki on a plate. So let's try like this. And one more time. And let's try. Oishii! Here it's very crispy and inside it's very soft. So please try it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.